You are not broken. Do you ever feel like life has broken you? Like you're not the same person anymore? If yes, then listen to this story carefully. There was a young boy who loved drawing more than anything else. He didn't have expensive colors, no fancy tools, just a simple pencil. But the strange thing was, with that simple pencil, he created the most beautiful drawings. People were always amazed. At school, whenever there was a drawing competition, he would always win. Everyone asked him, "What kind of special pencil do you use?" And he would just smile. One day, while he was working on his best drawing, suddenly his pencil broke, a small crack, and his hand stopped. He looked at the broken pencil, and his face fell. "That's it. It's over," he whispered. He felt like he couldn't draw the same way anymore. Frustrated and upset, he put the pencil aside. He didn't feel like continuing. Just then, his teacher walked in. "Why did you stop?" the teacher asked. The boy replied sadly, "My pencil broke. I can't draw like before." The teacher didn't say anything. He quietly picked up the pencil, sharpened it, and handed it back. "Try again," he said. The boy was confused, but he started drawing again. Slowly, line by line, his drawing began to come alive once more. It was just as beautiful as before. The teacher smiled and asked, "Do you understand now?" The boy said, "Maybe, that even if the pencil breaks, it can still be used." The teacher nodded, but then said, "Not just that. The real work of the pencil is not done by the outer wood, but by what's inside. No matter how many times it breaks, if the core is still strong, it can always write again." The boy went silent. He looked at the pencil, and then at himself. We are all like that pencil. Life breaks us sometimes. Failures, rejection, heartbreak. They shake us. They make us feel like we're no longer good enough. But that's not the truth. Because your real strength is not on the outside. It's inside you. People may judge you by your situation, your failures, your broken moments. But your true value comes from within. And as long as your inner core is strong, you can always start again. So whenever life breaks you, remember this. You may be broken, but you are not finished. Take a moment, rebuild yourself, and keep going. Because your real power has always been inside you.